A piece of ice with stone frozen inside it. So we can just consider that there is ice over here and an object is attached with this, and we know the density of this object is more than that of density of water. So that's why it is going to sink inside the this ice is going to sink inside water when ice melts. So we know that what happened when the ice melts, then the level of liquid is going to decrease, or level of liquid column is going to decrease. The reason for that is when the ice melt, its volume decreases. So as the volume decreases, the volume which is occupied by the space which is occupied by ice is going to decrease. Then the overall level of this liquid is going to decrease. So we can say that the reason for decrease in level of liquid in the container is because of the reason that as melting ice to water, its volume decreases. Now ice required a less region to occupy its space. That's why the volume of layer inside or level of liquid inside the water inside that container decreases. And its reason, it is given that the density of this one is more than that of water. So it is not the reason. The reason is that density of ice is less than the density of water. So we can say that this assertion is correct, but the reason is wrong.